PAUTIX, I think that's how you pronounce it, I'm not sure, but that's how I'm going to pronounce it. RGB Smart IC COB LED strip light. Multiple colour effects, music rhythm synchronization, 16 million colours, and it's dimmable. And it comes in two flavours, 5 meters, which is the one I've got, and 2 meters, or at the moment anyway. And as always, I'll stick links in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. Now, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and clicking on the bell to get notified for when my videos go live. And by doing that, it helps this channel, this little tiny channel, little speck in the solar system, it helps this channel to keep on growing. So with that, let's get the unboxing done, shall we? So this was actually sent to me, and when I looked online at the time of, well, I can say at the time of purchase, but at the time of getting this, it was around about £40 to £50. So it's not too expensive, and hopefully it is quality build or quality parts. Comes with a big plug actually. Look at the size of that baby. Big plug, remote control. I do believe you can download an app as well. Use manual. So it comes with a remote control and it's already got a battery in it. You just need to pull out that bit of plastic. Use a manual as you would expect anyway. Instructions for smart speaker control. Your main control box with a Q code on it on one side and your controls on the other side. So you have M4 menu, on off and speed. I'm guessing that's speed, but I could be totally wrong now. Nice remote by the way. Nice and clear, isn't it? Yeah. Great big plug. I can't get over how big that plug is. And is it the right way up? I think it is. And obviously the RGB itself. Now, one piece of advice I give to everyone, if you're installing something like this, test it first, alright? Just to make sure it works. Nothing worse than installing something like this only to find, oh, it doesn't work. So with that, let's plug her in and test her, shall we? Right, so I tested it, even though it says on here, do not roll up when using. Now, it should be fine for you to test it, and that is it. And also for setting it up to the app, because I have already downloaded the actual app. Now, I've tested it using this controller, and it works fine. And I've also tested it using a remote. Again, it works fine. But you might be one of those people who want to use the app. Now, to get the app, there is a Q code on here, on this instruction, which is all about the remote, and it has the Q code on it. This one is basically about the actual lights themselves, about how to set them up, what you need to do if you need to cut them. Can you make them longer? Yes, you can. Can you go to support? There is a support website there for you as well. And they do an extended limited warranty for up to 3 years. You might have to register for that one. I haven't done that. I am actually going to be installing these as well because I want to replace some old ones I've got up and they're going up there. I just want to replace them and put some new ones on because they're new. Now, in this part of the video, what I'm going to do is show you how to connect the software to the hardware. And I'm using a thing or using their app called Banlanex. I think that's how you pronounce it. Banlanex. It sounds a bit funny. Again, we're not going to unravel it first. We're going to set it up first. So open up. Make sure you join it if you need to join it. I've already set up and I've got a username 184548. That's my username because I couldn't be bothered to change it. So add device. It's not going to find nothing because it needs to be powered up. So it's searching. Plug it in. I'll try and turn the brightness down a bit. Brightness. It's that one in it. Oh, that's going down. Move that out of the way a bit. Oh, out the way so you can see properly. There it is, straight away, found it, no issues. Connect, allow, okay, while using the app, connecting, and it should be done. Right, let's try it, tester, get out of the way, you. Right, we have a green meter. Oh yes, look at that, straight away. All your different patterns. There must be loads of different things on here that we can do. What's this do? Don't know. What's that do? Stop. Yeah, easy enough. Like I said, there must be loads of different effects, different things you can do. That's quite good, that one there. So let's go to 119. And there's an edit button I've noticed. Edit, look. Does that mean you can make your own? Red, blue, green, snake. Oh, I see. I'm not going to mess about that too much. What's that do? Turns it on? Don't know. Oh, I see. You can do make a favourite. Ah, okay. Okay, cool. Looping all colour effects. Yes. That's easy enough to do. I'm not going to go through everything. There's an arrow here, look. 3, 4. Oh my God. Rainbow jump. Like I said, I'm not going to go through everything because there's probably millions. What's that do? Speeds it up. Yellow, white. No, it's different colours. Cyan. Oh, it's a quick way of going through the colours. So go for number 12 and then go down. Right, it goes all the way down to 1 and all the way up to 146. Now, they might add more in the future, I don't know. But at the moment, there's 146 different effects, at least. At least. So we know it works. It looks very nice. It's very colourful. And now I'm going to set them up because it was really easy to connect everything. Whether I'm using this, or this. Yeah? Very easy. There's the on off up there. Ching ching. On. Off. Right, let's do an installation then, shall we? Yes, I did clean the surface before I installed it, alright? I made sure it's nice and clean and dry from any dust. And I'm actually very impressed actually. Now, something I didn't mention, well I did mention it a little bit, was the music side. Yes, it plays to music. Now listen. Yeah, good. Like it? Yeah, very good. That was YouTube, by the way, copyright-free music. I thought, you know, play that, it's safer, isn't it? So, yeah, very impressed. That is why I actually installed it, because I thought, I need to change. I need a bit more LED lighting. And, yeah, I like the idea that it will move to music and to my voice. Hello? See what I mean? Hello? Yeah, works extremely well. Very impressed so far. So with that, let me show you some of the other ones. So we have solids. So if you just want a solid colour, so for instance like that, a little bit bright. I'm not sure how well the actual camera picks the colours up. That's a nice little reddy sort of colour. Not a deep red, that's a better red. Nice bit of purple, yes. Blue, nice bit of green. That doesn't look too greeny to me, that's better. Yes, or you can just select the actual colours here, look. Yes, there's a white spot in the middle. Nice red. Brilliant. And you can adjust the brightness on it as well. So you've got dynamics, which is all your colours. And by the way, on dynamics, you can select it to just go through them randomly, looping all the actual patterns. It just continually go forever and ever. Or you can have solids like I just showed you, music, or you can do it yourself, DIY. Now I'm not going to play about that, but just wanted to give you a basic idea of how everything works on this, whether you're using the app, the remote control, or the actual switch. I won't be using the switch because it's tucked up in the corner out of the way, but I might use the remote and I might use the app. The app seems to have more features on it than the actual remote, in my opinion, but they both work very well and they both can do music. I think it can do music. Yes, it can do music. So they both should work extremely well. So with that, as always, I will stick links in the video description for you to go and check it out. And if you're happy with it, you might want to buy it. And if you are happy with it and you do buy it and you think, cool, that looks really good, then let us know in the comment section that you bought one and you like it. Not a lot, but you like it. They've come a long way, haven't they, since the old days when they used to be able to see the actual light bulbs as such. That looks very clean and I'm very impressed. So with that, as always, if you're new to my channel or even old to my channel but you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It does help this little channel to keep on growing. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me the thumbs up. And don't forget to click on the bell to get notifications for when my videos go live. Thank you very much for watching.